Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. When I started my channel, I really want to make small Subnautica plushies, and because of how complex the patterns on some are, I wanted to do them justice and spend a bit more extra time to get all the details right on a Peeper plush. Here's a list of everything you need. You don't have to go as crazy as I did with all the different colours, but I think it makes it look a lot better if you do have them all. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free for my DeviantArt. All of my patterns scale to an A4 piece of paper, so make sure you set it to that when printing it. The first thing you need to do is to sew the small white circle onto the black eye backs to create an eye glint. Then take the next size up yellow circle and join the black eyes to the centre. Do the same for the next eye. Once done, take the next slightly bigger brown circle and join the yellow piece onto this for both eyepieces. After that, take the largest yellow circle and in the very centre, join on the brown layered eyepiece for each circle. Beside where the eye glint is, on the yellow circle, sew on the orange lines and dots in each one for extra protein richness. Take the largest brown circle and in the centre, sew the yellow layered eyes on for each piece. For the body, place one green and one blue piece together and sew them along the centre straight line. Repeat for the second two body pieces. Then, in the centre of each body piece along the seam, take the darker blue piece and use a running stitch or a back stitch to join it around the entire shape. Repeat this for the second side. Next, line up the black gill pieces with the little pin-shaped one in the front, then in order from big to small on the body for the ovals, leaving enough space for the eye. For the next side of the body, do the same but just mirror the side that you've just done with the order of the ovals. After that, sew the eye on so it overlaps the first pin-shaped black gill a little bit on both sides. For the tail, place the two green tail pieces with the tracing on the outside and sew them together only around the curved side, leaving the straight edge open. Once done, flip it the right way up. Repeat the same process for the blue tail pieces. Then take the two green angled fins with the tracing upright and join them together, leaving the short edge open. Then flip upright once done. Repeat for the blue angled fins. Take the two little brown beak pieces with the tracing upright and sew them together only around the spike. Then flip upright once done. Place the two body pieces together and begin joining them. At the very tip of the tail, place the tail piece on the according colour side so it points inwards and join it together along the seam. Once you reach where the eye is, take the according colour fin and place it pointing inwards and join it in so that it opens in the centre. When you reach the tip of the face, tuck the beak in and join it into the plush. Then continue along until you reach the other side and join in the according colour fin opposite from the other in the same way that you joined the first fin. And go a little further in, then stop. Tuck in the last tail piece and join it to the body. Make sure the very end of the peeper is sealed. Continue along until you have only enough space to flip the plush upright, flip it, then stuff the peeper, stuffing the fins first then the body after. Lastly, complete the plush with an invisible stitch along the remaining gap. And that is how you make a Peeper plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!